For years and years, I tried to make money online, and just last year, I cracked the code. I'm sure you've come across a lot of people online who tell you to try drop shipping, affiliate marketing, and all these different ways of making money online. And like myself, you probably tried, you fell for it, and then you realize, nah, this does not work for me. And let me just tell you, all these ways of making money, they actually do work. They just don't work for all of us. You just need to figure out what works for you. In this video, I am going to talk about how I personally made over 100,000 last year online, excluding my full-time remote job. And just to put it out there, I'm not selling you anything in this video. For years and years, I tried to make money online, and just last year, I cracked the code. And the things that helped me make money last year are exactly what I'm going to share with you, so that as we go into this year, we can all get on this financial freedom, chasing it and making it together. Some of these parts of making money, let's be honest, it doesn't happen overnight. Sometimes it's going to take you months, sometimes it's going to take you years, like it's taken me. This is literally my 10th year creating content online. Like, imagine, I started off blogging, I've been an influencer, and now I'm a remote worker, UGC content creator. Like, it can take some time, but that's what I'm saying, it does work. Sometimes it might take a little longer than everyone else, and maybe sometimes you just need to pivot. The initial thing that you are going to need, though, it's definitely going to need you to put some time and effort into it. But when it comes to all the things that I'm going to talk about, some of the things you don't even need to really invest a lot of initial time, because you can always outsource, especially when it comes to ebooks. With ebooks, you don't have to be the person to write it. In this day and age, you can literally use ChatGPT, or you can go on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, outsource and get someone to write the book for you. You just pay them whatever they charge for that, and you get to sell this book. But if you decide to focus on ebooks, I would say you want to focus on anything that has to do with social media, anything for kids, because parents will forever spend money on their kids. And thirdly, anything to do with beauty and love, a lot of people will always spend when it comes to beauty. A lot of women, okay, I am one of those. I would spend whatever it takes to make sure I stay looking pretty or whatever. And love, because people really are surrounded by love. Whatever makes the world revolve is love. So look into that. The second way that I made money last year, and you can too, would be UGC content. I kid you not, I acquired clients from around the globe with my UGC content. So if you're sleeping on it, you definitely need to get on it, because all you really need is for you to have a good quality camera on a cell phone, not even like a DSLR or whatever, a cell phone, because this is UGC. Like, UGC content doesn't need to be like all professional. You just need a good quality camera. You need Wi-Fi so that you're able to upload and download stuff that you need to send to your clients. And the last way that I personally made money would be creating a course or a masterclass. And when it comes to creating courses, again, this is something that you can outsource. You don't need to put a lot of initial time as you are trying to do this. If you've got the idea, find someone that you can basically brain dump your idea on, and they can create this for you. Like, we are learning to work smart, not hard. So you get someone to do that for you. If you do have the time to do it, it does not hurt to sit down, create your own course, get somebody else to edit it for you, and you can host it on platforms like Skillshare, YouTube, Udemy, Teachable, so many different platforms. Anyway, that's all I had to share with you today. I'm sure you'll enjoy the very next video, so go ahead and watch.